If you don't have the LDAC option or LHDC option in the Bluetooth device settings on the Motorola Edge 70 Pro, then the reason is probably because you have downloaded an app for your Bluetooth device. So for example, in my case, I have these earbuds. They have a dedicated app that I can use with my earbuds. And inside that app, I can find some settings related to the sound quality. So if you made some changes in here, matter of fact, you might not even have done that, but the app might have done that for you. So what you might want to do is you want to open that app that you probably just installed for your Bluetooth device, find some of these settings related to sound. Of course, it's very hard to tell where those settings are in your case. In my case, I have to go to earbud settings in here, and then here we have the sound quality settings, and I just have to make sure that the sound quality is actually the priority or the preferred option. So in my case, I just have to switch from connection quality to sound quality, and then if I switch back to settings, as you can see now, I do have LDAC, and that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.